New figures have revealed that inflation rose by just 0.2% in the December quarter. That's an annualised rate of 1.7%. We're joined by economics reporter Gareth Hutchins. Gareth, why are these CPI figures important?
These are important because they give us the annual inflation rate for the whole of 2014, and the 1.7% figure is very low. The RBA wants inflation to remain between 2 to 3%, and with inflation now falling below that 2 to 3% range, the pressure for it to increase or to cut interest rates will increase.
The opportunity is there, I guess, to cut interest rates. What are the arguments for and against a cut?
The arguments for are because inflation is so low now. We need to stimulate the economy because falling inflation is a sign that economic activity has decreased. The reason why the RBA may not want to cut rates is because it wants to keep its powder dry. It may want to wait another few months to get other economic data because a lot of this stuff is just lagging. So we're only finding out about the state of the economy from months before. So it may just want to sit and wait.
The other thing you mentioned that low inflation is a sign of a weak economy. You want to stimulate it. But isn't it the case that some of this drop in the inflation rate isn't necessarily due to weakness? It's actually just because of the drop-off in the cost of petrol, and that's such an integral part of the costs built into the economy.
Yeah, the Bureau of Statistics in its release today specifically mentioned the fall in petrol prices. Petrol prices have fallen because there's been a huge drop in global oil prices the last few months, and this will just wash through the economy. I think the average price for a litre of petrol at the moment is about $1.17, so this is helping people's disposable income. So it's not a bad thing at all.
So in a sense, even without a cut in interest rates, there's almost the same effect for the economy and for consumer spending because they've got more money in their pocket.
Exactly, and that's another reason why the RBA may choose to sit back and not do anything about rates for a while.
Okay, Gareth Hutchins, thanks for your insights.
No worries.